Hi there. Today on this Millennial Review, we're taking a look at the Ridgid 18-volt brushless 4-mode impact wrench. Yeah, this is a impact wrench that I've been looking to purchase for a while. Super psyched to now have one, and I haven't even opened it, so we get a chance to open it together, see the initial first thoughts, and then later on I'll follow up with a review after using this this impact wrench. So let's go ahead and start with some of the specifics. So it's the R86011B, B standing for bare tool, which means this particular one does not come with a battery or anything like that. That's okay. As you guys already know, I've got a lot of these tools, a lot of these batteries, so that's going to be just fine. Now, when taking a look at this, let's go ahead and just check out the box here. So if you look at the box, we'll try to get it in focus here. If you look there, the box itself is pretty nice. It's got some information on the back there. Let's see if we can't get this to focus in a little bit. And it's going to tell you a lot about the impact wrench. Really, it's got 3 speeds, an auto mode, all of that great stuff. So let's go ahead and get into unboxing this here and see what's inside. So right on the side, we've got a little flip. Pop it open. Reminds us that it's 100% compatible with all of the other Ridgid tools. Not really that surprising. Whoa, throwing stuff everywhere. You're going to get an owner's manual, of course, some documentation to try and sell it else, or excuse me, sell you other tools. And then inside of here, pop that open. We've got our impact wrench. So what we have here is our 3-mode, or rather 4-mode. It's got 3 different speeds and then an auto mode with that 1/2-inch impact on the front. And then you've got the little lower button, like on a lot of these drills, that's going to allow us to be able to just turn the lights on and off as we need to. Now, it's good looking drill or impact or whatever you want to call it. It is brushless, just like most of the other brand new Ridgid tools. And this 1/2-inch impact is supposed to have, it looks like the speeds are 1300 RPM, 0 to 1900, and then 0 to 2600, and then it's got up to 3500 impacts per minute. So that's quite a bit of impacts. This is supposed to be pretty strong, and as we can see, what I dropped down below is just that little clip to go right onto your belt loop and that sort of thing. Toss that aside, take a look at our drill. Fits pretty well in hand. I like the way this one feels. It feels like a lot of the other Ridgid tools. So it's got the rubber overmold all over the handles. It's got an ambidextrous on both sides for our forward and reverse. It's got that little button we were talking about down below, which is nice to turn on the lights. So let's go ahead and slap a battery in. We've got our 18-volt 4-amp-hour battery. This is the limited edition black battery. I've got a whole review on that black kit that I got, which was really nice. Now, on here, we're going to have the button, which is going to turn those 3 LED lights on, and then we're going to have a nice little switch there. So this does feel like it goes slow. Yeah, so it is a progressive switch, which is nice. It's going to give you lots of great control while you're using this. And overall, this is kind of my initial impressions. Pretty happy with the drill. I've actually wanted one of these for a while, so I'm super glad to have it now. And, I really just look forward to taking off some lug nuts, doing things like that, and getting back to you with basically exactly what I think after using this quite a bit longer. Well, thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and hit the like button down below. Make sure to subscribe for more of these. And, yeah, good luck with your tools. Hope you get something like this too.